Well, in this week's Get AI Smart Tip, we're going to look at AI agents. For those of you that are not familiar with AI agents, if you look at ChatGPT and other AI models, the chatbots were simply you ask a request, it produces a return answer, whether it's an image, video, or text. And agents are simply, you can give it a task that goes and does things for you more autonomously and checks in with you if input is needed. And we're starting to see AI agents come out, and OpenAI, the parent company ChatGPT, launched Operator not too long ago. And this is a deep dive into Operator and what's to come with AI agents in 2025. Let's dig in. So Operator today is only available in the Pro plan, which is $200 a month. So I upgraded just to test it for a month, and I looked at deep research recently. If you look at my YouTube channel, which is a option here, but things with Operator had it go do things for me, and you can hopefully with this video get an idea of how much time an agent like Operator can save you. And this is where we're going with AI agents giving you back the gift of time. So Operator, the way you access it, if you have the plan, is operator.chatgpt.com. Some ideas here. Hey, do you want me to go find a sushi restaurant with high ratings and reservations? Delivery, Uber Eats, they're integrated with some of these solutions. DoorDash, Instacart, local services, okay, shopping, travel. So you can give it, again, you're not restricted by it. These are just sort of like conversation starters. So what I did, so to keep this video short, I gave it, let's look at this task. Find me which Target or Whole Foods is closest to an address near my house that has the La Fermier yogurt, which is a delicious yogurt, by the way, in stock. So it worked for 5 minutes. And this is sort of, it just does it. You can go away, come back, and it give you the answer versus you having to spend time to research it, right? So search for Target. And if you did this live, it actually walks you through how it's doing it in the browser itself that you can see. So searching Target for nearest, it did all this stuff. Look at how many steps it went through. And then it summarized this for me. The closest Target to this is the Montgomeryville location, just 2 miles away. That is accurate. That's my go-to Target. They have La Fermier Vanilla Bean. It not just asked me for, told me that's there. It also looked for the type of flavors were there in stock. It also found the Whole Foods Springhouse location, which is the closest one. It says it has this and Mango Passion. Would you like any other information? So now, if I had specified the price, I asked it as a follow-up, can you tell me which location has a cheaper price? Then it went and worked for 17 seconds and came back and said that the Target is priced at $299 versus the other one is at $359. Can you see the impact of agents in your life with giving you back the gift of time? So this is one example, right? So let's look at a couple more examples I did and you get the idea. Okay, that's new. I'll go back to here. So I asked it, go find me, and I did this a couple of days ago. So find me homes for sale in Bluebell, Pennsylvania, in a certain price range, and based on results, show me the home that has been on the market the longest. So it worked for 4 minutes, by the way. And at the time of this search, there were no homes in that price range at all, okay? And I wanted to see what it would do. So I gave it all that, and then it sort of kept working here. See this? So sorting, look. All this is, you can watch it do the work, or you can just go away and come back, and it'll be done. See, Operator browser, you can go here, click it. You can kind of see what it's doing. And at the end of the day, it found me. I found a home that has been on the market within the specified price range. And what it did was it found me the closest to Bluebell in some capacity. Because Bluebell had none, right, in this example. And it said it's 958 Musket Drive, Lansdale, PA, priced at $750. That was in the range and has been on the market for 78 days. And it obviously used Zillow as a search, and there's the 78 days. Now, I did this a couple of days ago before recording this video. So that's a good example. Let's look at one more I did. I said, not that I was going to India again, but I said, find me the best business class price to travel from Philadelphia to my hometown in India in the month of April. I gave it like a wide range for a 10-day trip. So it did work for 2 minutes. and it sort of searched all this stuff. And then it went back and adjusted the times, and it did all the stuff that we typically tend to do with like Google Flights or any other stuff. And it came back to me and said, that's your best price to go April 15th, tax day, and return April 25th. So it went around. If you watch it, it sort of goes around and does the price, date changes to see if the price changes, all of those things. So there's a lot of, it's still early for the operator because it's in research preview for the pro user. So there's probably some kinks, but can you see how AI agents can help you in your real estate business? Because it can go do things on your behalf. And would you like to proceed? If I were to say, yes, let's proceed, it would simply ask me to, hey, do you want me to book it for you? And it'll proceed down the funnel of all the things that we wanted to do. And it can even purchase the ticket for you if you want it, right? So all those things are part of it. Would you like assistance with anything else? Okay, I can ask it to go do something else. And can you double check? Let's just see this. Can you double check if Whole Foods has 10 of the this is good, right? 10 of the, let's see what the flavors it found of the vanilla bean, which is my go-to anyway. Vanilla bean in stock. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna do. I want you to watch this as it starts to work in the browser, okay? So it says thinking, checking stock for yogurt availability. It's gone to the Whole Foods, and now it's gonna start to see if it can find stock, if Whole Foods can show it. It's probably gonna add to the cart. Log in with Amazon. And sometimes you'll notice it needs your input, okay? And here it says Whole Foods website doesn't provide stock quantities. You may need to contact the Springhouse store directly. Okay, so it's saying it can't check stock because maybe Whole Foods doesn't show stock online. Can you check at Target? Let's see what happens, okay? This is the kind of interaction, and sometimes it might go to websites where the CAPTCHA needs to be, you need to kind of pick the vehicles and image stuff. So it needs some human in the loop for sure, but it can do a lot of things anonymously, right? So here we go. Let's see what it's going to do here with Target. It's probably going to add it, show in stock. Let's see. You can watch it too as well. Checking in stock availability for Target. Updating location. It's going to go put the location of North Wales there. If it remembers the thread, and looks like it's going to do that right about now. As you can see, there we go. And it's going to hit look up, I suppose. It's almost like this is what you would do as a human, right? I mean, that's really what it's doing. Look at that. The Montgomery Target store has 9 units of the vanilla bean in stock. So can you imagine how agents can be very helpful for you? Hope this was helpful for you to be comfortable with AI agents because they're coming to a computer and a mobile phone near you.